Now I'm going to give you a topic. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think and you can take notes as well. So here is your paper and pen. So I'd like to describe a national holiday in your country. Here we go. Now you have 1 to 2 minutes for this. You don't have to worry if I stop you. I will tell you when the time is up. Could you please start speaking now?
One of my favorite festivals is Eid-ul-Fitr, which is celebrated by Muslims all over the world. It comes after a month of fasting. It is a time of happiness and togetherness. Everyone feels excited and joyful. The day before Eid, I usually help my mother prepare special dishes like biryani and kebabs. My younger sister and I also decorate our house with colorful lights and banners and make everything look so festive and bright. On Eid morning, I wake up early, take a bath, wear new traditional clothes. The smell of delicious food fills the house. Then I go to the mosque with my father for the Eid prayer. The mosque is always crowded with happy people, wear nice and colorful outfits. After the prayer, we greet each other warmly. And then we visit our relatives and friends, exchange greetings and gifts. It is a great way to stay connected with friends and family and strengthen bonds. The best part of it is the delicious food, especially sweet biryani and shamai. My mother makes the best shamai. Everyone enjoys sharing meals together.
Thank you. Should people have more holidays?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Thank you. That's the end of your speaking test.